super delicious but also nutritious, easy to make fish recipe, you guys are definitely gonna want to watch this video. Like all my recipes, you gotta start with a sharp knife. I'm using Brussels sprouts, chopping off the bottom and removing the outer layers. If this is the first time you're watching a recipe video of mine, welcome. I'm Tara, and I share easy to make recipes like today's recipe every week. So now I'm gonna chop the Brussels sprouts in half. And for the larger ones, I'm actually gonna cut them in fourths. We're gonna set them aside and grab our fish. So I'm gonna keep this super simple and just use salt and pepper. I typically purchase all of my fish and meat from the butcher box. I love this service because it comes straight to my door. I am not sponsored, but if you're interested in trying it for yourself, there's a link in the description box below for you to save $30 off of your first order. I'm also gonna slice up a lemon and look at this incredible steamer. I just recently got this to go along with my always pan. Have you guys tried this pan? I love it. It's so incredibly easy to clean. And of course, I have a link in the description box below for you to save money if you want to try one for yourself. So I'm removing the stainless steel steamer, setting my heat to medium-high, adding a drizzle of olive oil, and then I'm going to add in my chopped up Brussels sprouts, hit it with a little bit of pepper and some salt, and I'm just going to cook this until it's the absolute perfect doneness for me. If you're enjoying today's easy recipe, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And I'm gonna grab my Banza rice. Have you guys tried Banza? I typically use their pasta, but their rice, I'm telling you guys, it tastes just like regular rice, but it has so much protein. It's so much better for you than regular rice. I've left a link below if you can't find it at your local grocery store, so you can get it on Amazon. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red, and I've added some water, brought it to a boil, added the rice, stirring it up. And then I'm gonna grab the packet that comes with it. This is gluten-free. It's so delicious. You could skip this and use your own seasoning, but why? Because it comes with it and it's so delicious. The steamer basket comes with these parchment paper liners, and then I'm adding some lemon slices, covering it and cooking it. I cooked this for about 8 minutes, and then the rice was done. Well, the Banza rice, that is, because it's not actually rice. Added the Brussels sprouts, then I removed it, added some water back to the pan, and decided to finish steaming the cod this way. Always use a meat thermometer to make sure your fish is cooked. You want it to be at least 145 degrees. Remove it, and look at this incredible fish. I'm telling you guys, I brought this to work. It was so delicious.